Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to make money in this platform called Yieldality. Okay, so Yieldality is a platform where you can stake your USDT and be earning some percentage on a daily basis. Before we proceed, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And if after watching this video and you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like my video, comment and share with your friends. Okay, so I took my time to make a research, study about Yieldality, and that's why I'm bringing it to your table, because I would like all of us to make money. Okay, this platform just launched a day ago, so if you are seeing this video, congratulations, because you are still very new to the platform. And it's not a Ponzi scheme. Okay, it's not a Ponzi scheme, but because of the people that will be uploading the video on their platform, the platform that has red logo, so I'll be choosing my words carefully. Okay, so you can also do your own research. It's not a financial advice. Do your own research so that you learn more about Yieldality. Okay, so this is their website. If you go down, you can click on their white paper to read. So in this their white paper now, you see we have level by level. Okay, we have from level 1 to level 12, and how much you'll be staking and how much you'll be earning, how much you'll be depositing and how much you'll be earning. This platform is not something that you stake and be afraid that it's going to pack up. I'm choosing my words so that YouTube will not tamper with the video. Okay, so this platform is not a platform that you say, okay, it will pack up in 1 month, in 2 months, in 3 months. This platform is going to, is a long-term project. This is a long-term project, so invest in it and be earning good money. Okay, so in level 1, you are starting with $5. Everybody is starting with $5. That is how it works. You start with $5. You can decide to increase to $10. You can decide to be earning from $10 permanently. But if what you are earning from $10 is not enough for you, you can decide to upgrade to the level 3. That is $20. Level 4, $50. Level 5, $100. And as you are upgrading, that is how the percentage that you are earning will be increasing. Okay, so if you come here, you see level 1 $5 and level 2 $5. You'll be earning 2% of your money daily. Okay, level 3, that is $20. You'll be earning 2.5 of your earnings. Whatever you put in, you'll be earning it on a daily basis. Okay, level 4, you'll be earning 2.5 of your money. Level 6, you'll be earning 3%. Level 7, you'll be earning 3%. Level 8, you'll be earning 3.5%. To level 12, you'll be earning 5%. Okay, if you're in level 12, you'll be earning $250 daily. Okay, so, and not just that, if you decide that, okay, that you're not going to be withdrawing your money, that you are compounding, that is, anytime that you make profit on a daily basis, you're not going to withdraw the money. The yield that your money accumulated for you will also be adding to you every day, and it will also be giving you some percentage. Do you understand? Like if you are in level 12 now, you are earning 5% daily. That is, you are earning 5% of what you put in level 12 daily. That is $250. So this $250 will be giving you some percentage to be adding to your money every blessed day. Do you understand? That's why I said that this platform is one of the best. So you can actually do compounding in this platform. Okay, so now the question is, how do you register? I'm going to drop the link below this video in the comment section or in the description box of this video. I've already dropped the link in my WhatsApp group. Okay, some people have registered and be waiting for me to make a video so that they can deposit. So if you are watching this video right now and you are not in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp group link below this video. Join the group so that you also be getting information, because it's not every information that I post on my group that I post on my YouTube channel. So how do you register? You click on the link in the description box of this video. Okay, so once you click on the link, it's going to bring you here. Okay, it's going to bring you join Yieldality. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is for you to type your email address. Okay, once you type your email address, you type your phone number. So once you type your phone number, you click on send secure magic link. So once you click on send secure magic link, they're going to send you a mail in your email. Okay, don't wait for a pop-up mail. Okay, go to your email then to confirm the email. Okay, so you get a mail like this. Okay, you get a mail like this asking you to confirm your email address. Okay, asking you to confirm your email address. So I'm going to click here to confirm. So once you click here to confirm, then you go back to your browser where you are doing your registration, and your dashboard is going to open like this. Okay, your dashboard is going to open like this. So after the registration, the next thing that you're going to do is just for you to deposit. Okay, you're going to deposit. Once you register, this place will tell you level 0 because you are not active. My own is showing me level 1 because I have deposited. What do you need to do before you deposit? Before you click here to deposit, make sure that you have gotten your USDT ready. Okay, make sure that you have gotten your USDT ready in your wallet before you deposit. Okay, so as you can see, I have gotten my USDT ready because I want to use this video to increase my level to level 2. I'll still increase my levels to be earning huge amounts. Okay, but for the sake of this video, I'll just increase my level to level 2. So I have gotten my USDT ready. Okay, so I'll go back to the dashboard to go and copy my wallet address. So once you have gotten your USDT ready, you come here, you click on deposit crypto. If you don't know how to get your USDT, you can actually chat me on WhatsApp to help you and get USDT. You send me Naira and I'll get USDT for you from a vendor. Okay, and I will send direct to this your wallet. Okay, I will send it direct to this your wallet. When you are depositing, assuming you are doing, since everybody is starting with $5 package, that is level 1. Okay, we are not just going to deposit $5. Okay, you're not just going to deposit $5. You can deposit $5.2 because they're going to charge you small gas fee. Okay, so if you're depositing $10, just deposit 10.2 or $10.5 because they're going to charge you some gas fee. Okay, so you click on deposit. So the amounts that I want to deposit, you type it here. Okay, so I'll be depositing $10. Okay, I'll be depositing $10 because I already have 2 point something dollar in my wallet. Okay, so I'll just put $10. Then I'll generate deposit address. Okay, so As you can see, I have generated my deposit address. As you can see, they say deposit address ready, use BEP20. Please use BEP20 or USDT BEP20. As you can see it here, your deposit address is ready. Use USDT BEP20. Please send exactly $10 to this address because I typed $10. Okay, so if I'm typing $10.2, you can put $20, you can put $50, any amount I want to put. So the next thing I'm going to do is for you to click on copy. Okay, then you go to your exchange or wallet, anywhere you have your USDT BEP20, you can go there and send. So I'll be sending. I'll paste. I'll confirm. Then I'll confirm. Like I said, the reason why I'm sending exactly $10 is because I already have $2 in that dashboard. Okay, so since I've deposited, I'm going back to my dashboard now. Then I'll close this place. You click here to close. You refresh your page. So as you can see, the money is here. Okay, as you can see, the money is here. Okay, so, and if you check your notification, you see that they send you a notification that you have deposited 9.92, and that's why I said always add something to the money that you want to send, because they're going to charge you some gas fee. Okay, and also if you check your email, you're going to see that they send you a mail that you deposited money. So the next thing that I'm going to do is for you to upgrade. Okay, it's for you to upgrade. So I'm going to upgrade to level 2 using $10. Okay, so I'll just click on upgrade to level 2. If you are a starter, you just click on upgrade to level 1. Okay, then you click on upgrade. Make sure that it's ticked here. Okay, you can actually, if my level 1, because I just registered and upgraded to level 1, my level 1 I've not started yielding profit before I upgraded to level 2. Okay, so had it been that I have a lot of money that my $5 got for me, I will have my yield balance here, so I can click on this place to use my yield balance to upgrade. But since I have not started making money, so I'll just click here to use $10 from this money to upgrade. So I'll just click on upgrade. Okay, I have upgraded, so I need to refresh my dashboard. Okay, so as you can see, I'm now in level 2. Okay, I'm now in level 2. Okay, and I'll be earning 2% of my money daily. 2% of my money daily. So if I want to upgrade to level 3 now, I'll pay another $20 to be earning 3% of my money. Okay, so that is how it works. It's very simple and easy. Okay guys, like I said, the minimum deposit to start with is $5, and the minimum withdrawal is $1. And that $1, you can withdraw it any day, anytime. Like you can withdraw your money several times in a day as long as it's up to $1. Do you understand? Minimum withdrawal is $1. You can withdraw it as many times as you want in a day. Okay, there's no limit. Okay, there's no limit for withdrawal. can withdraw your $1 anytime, any day, and you receive it in your wallet. Okay, and the reason why I'm bringing this update is because I've been waiting for them for a long time. If you are in my group, you remember where I'm saying a big project is coming. Oh, I've posted this several times and said a big project is coming. A big project is, this is the big project, so don't miss it. Okay, don't miss it. I've been doing something like this since 2023, that I registered with $100 since 2023. That $100 have accumulated for me more than $1,000 in that platform. Okay, and I've withdrawn some more and I've left some there to keep on accumulating. Okay, that's why I said this is not Ponzi, but do your own research. It's not a financial advice for the sake of the red app. Do you understand? So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, or you can chat me in my DM on WhatsApp and ask your question. If there is anything that is confusing you during the registration process, during the deposit and all that. And if you are not in my WhatsApp group, click on the link below this video to join my WhatsApp group so that you'll be receiving updates. You can scroll down to my YouTube channel and check other projects that you can register and start making money from. Okay, so see you in my next video.